Hello guys, it's Darth Gaming. Today I'm going to be unboxing some crates of Rocket League. Pretty much have 9 crates. So let's start off with this beautiful one here. You can see all these marvelous things you can get. Really nice. Now obviously I don't know which one to get. There is a lot of good fucking shit out of these crates. Which, yeah, it's really cool. So let's unbox this one, the Velocity crate. So let's use it. Oh, it's going to be interesting with this one. Ooh. Holy shit! Not expecting that. Alright, that is a good skin. Obviously, really good. Next type of crate I'm going to be unboxing then, after that one, is the Triumph, which is my favourite one, where I got this car, this boost, and a whole bunch of other shit. I want that so much, holy shit. Atomizer is pretty good. This one's probably my favourite wheels. But anyway, let's use it. It's only like 3, so I gotta be like really wary of what I get. Oh, I almost got Stormwatch. Holy fuck! All right, that looks pretty nice. Gonna admit that. Alright, let's use another one. Alright, Samurai looks good. Holy shit. Oh. Oh fuck, I only got liftoff though. No liftoff really well. So I guess this one's gonna be the last one to roll through. Please. Oh! Yes! I like this. Alright. Alright, this one is a good one. I like it. So, alright. Let's have 5 more of these things. These things have really great items. I mean, I would like to have Fire God and this one here. So let's use it. Got a bunch of good shit out of this one. So. Ah, so close. I don't have that car though. That's the problem. I actually. Oh, I get why it's wood. Alright. Because my last paint was wood. Alright. Oh, there's a lot of black market. Oh! I almost got Fire God though. God damn it! I have 2 of these import cars now. Alright. Alright, please, 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 no! Oh, come on, I hate these though. Alright, I have like 4 of them. I trade one of them away to get something amazing. Because one of my friends over there have really good stuff in this game. Oh, fuck right off. No. Alright, cool. Is this another one? Oh, shit. I have another one of those Roadhogs. Alright, let's Yeah, and that one was good. Got a lot of fucking dupes. I admit. Oh, this one was pretty good. That one. Yeah, I reckon that's it for this video. Peace.